Get out of here. Stop it. Thank you.
Let's go.
Get out of here. No, stop it.
That one honestly just feels like bowling.
Bro.
Oh, come on.
Listen, no, stop it. Stop it. No. Oh, that one was really good. Well, we're back for a little bonus race after the main event. We're doing a little super speedway with leader outside the cones. So there's a section in the back that every time the leader hits it, they have to take that little outside cone section. It's a good way to keep everybody bunched up. Leads to some good racing. And it's probably the closest thing that we have to feel like NASCAR. That's pretty cool. I like it. As long as you don't have a slow cart. If you have a slow cart, this is actually probably the worst thing to do. Because you can never, ever catch anyone if you have a slow cart. Ow! Who was hitting me in these corners back there? Dog. Let's go, Dave. Come on. Bro. Is my brake pedal stuck? I don't think so. Ow! Well, this isn't good. We gotta get back on the inside. If you were on the outside, it is the worst possible place to be. That's one thing I remember. I've gone from like first to last. Oh no, there goes my seat. Because I've been stuck on the outside. We got to adjust the seat here real quick. Emergency maneuvers. Okay, we're up. We're up. For temporarily, we're up. We were losing a little traction there. Okay. Okay. We are destroying that barrier. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. All right. All right, people. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, we're in the rotation. Now we're the one who's going to have to take the cones, provided no one passes me right now. Let's go, Dennis. Oh boy, we are 3 wide. We are 3 wide. Oh my God, bless America! Set my seat back again. Ow! Jeez, oh man. This is a nightmare. Oh my goodness. Never a dull moment in the old super speedway. That's for sure. Never a dull moment. What? Oh man! Alright, good race, good race, good race.